Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. The last few videos have done quite well on my channel and we've reached 1.4k subscribers, which I'm very happy for, so thank you for 1.4k. And in today's video I'm going to share one of my Forex flips, which I've done in about February. And this account, I will quickly get it up on my phone. But yeah, this account started on the 3rd of February when I deposited £700 into the account. And to start with, so I started using small lot sizes and wasn't really making much profit with this. And then as I went on to like the next few weeks or so, when the flip happened, I was down to like £450 in the account, I'm pretty sure. I think I made a few big losses. Yeah. Here on GBP NZD, I went down to about £450 in the account. And yeah, so I wasn't really happy about that I lost like £250. So then I started using bigger lot sizes to try and flip the account quickly, which I did on GBP JPY. I think I made about £513 in that day from GBP JPY using 1.0 lot sizes. I was just doing quick scalps in trades for like 30 seconds a minute max, just take my profits, closing the trade. Like, I didn't want to hold them because I was using big lot sizes on a £450 account, which is extremely over leveraging it. But yeah, I ended that day with quite a bit of profit, £513, which obviously over doubled the account in that day, which is obviously amazing. And the next day I started profiting on gold as well. I made, I'd say about £150 that day on gold, and then even more on GBP NZD with another £22. But yeah, as you can see, I was using 1.0 lot sizes most of the time after this. Yeah, after the first day or so I was already up to over £1,000 in the account, so I'd already over doubled since that £450 when I lost the money. But yeah, more gold profits. I was mostly trading gold and the GBP pairs because I like them the most and seem to move the most as well. As you see, £250 loss on NZD CHF, which is not the best, but we made up for it in the next few trades with the GBP AUD shorts. I did actually close, as you see there's a lot of trades on this one. I had a few 1.0s open and I actually closed them when they hit my TP1. So as you see, the first ones closed at 99 and 110, and I had a huge gold loss of £250. But the next few trades made up for it anyway, so I was in profit that day. I think I made like, I don't know, £450, £500 from the GBP AUD in total that day. And so yeah, it was more than that gold loss anyway. Then more gold profits, and then yeah, GBP CHF, about more like 2 pips or something, £23. And then a few more gold shorts, which was another few £100. But yeah, I made a little loss at the end of gold on a 0.25, but I withdrew £822 that week. The total profit that week was about 1.1k, as you can see. Then I did withdraw £822, so it says the profit is 1.1k. But yeah, so I put in 700 that week, took out 822, and still had £1,000 in the account. So as you see, I flipped it. It was on 450, got it up to about 1.9k, 2k. Yeah, in like a matter of a few days. So I know it's very high risk using 1.0 lot sizes, but I just wanted to flip the account, you know, make my profits, withdraw. So now everything in the account is profit. So I'm not risking the original investment because I've put in 700, withdrew 820, which means I've made profit into my bank, but there's still £1,000 in the account, which is all profit, which I'm trading with now. It was quite a good week that was when Corona started getting serious in the start of February, and gold was just moving so crazy, and I just profited off the moves. And as you can see, real account. But yeah, if you want to learn how to flip accounts like this, I wouldn't recommend it to new traders, people that aren't very experienced in Forex trading, because it's very high risk and you probably will lose money doing it. It's not always 100% going to work. You're better off learning a strategy, sticking to that strategy, testing it, and building up, like compounding over time. Yeah, I just suggest compounding and starting with a small amount to start with. I have actually made a video on how to start Forex trading, which I'll put up in the cards in the top right of the screen, and there's a link in the description to my other videos. But yeah, if you enjoyed this Forex video, little flip, make sure you subscribe and like the video, and comment down below what videos you want to see on this channel, and follow my Instagram for more of my Forex updates and stuff like that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this little flip video, and I'll see you in the next one.